In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more than Z columns in Google Sheets. If you've ever reached column Z and wondered how to keep going, don't worry, Sheets can handle far more. I'll walk you through the quickest way to extend your sheet so you can keep building without losing momentum. Start by heading to the Google homepage in your browser. At the top right, click the grid icon, often called the Google Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. This takes you to Google Sheets where you can see your recent files. Open the spreadsheet you want to work on. Make sure you have edit access. If you only have view access, the insert options will be disabled, so you'll need permission from the owner to make changes. Once your spreadsheet is open, look along the top where the column letters are displayed. Scroll horizontally until you see the column labeled Z. If your sheet already has more than 26 columns, you'll see columns like AA, AB, and so on. But if you're at Z and need more, here's what to do. Click directly on the Z header to highlight the entire column. You'll know it's selected when the whole column is shaded and the letter Z is highlighted. Now, right-click on the Z column header to open the context menu. From the list of options, choose Insert One Column Right. The moment you select this, a brand new column will appear immediately to the right of Z, and it will be labeled AA. That's it. You've just extended your sheet past Z. If you need even more columns, repeat the same action as many times as you like, and the labels will continue as AB, AC, AD, and so on. A few helpful tips while you work. If you want to add several columns at once, first select multiple adjacent columns before you right-click. Sheets will insert the same number of new columns to the right. If you don't see the new columns, use the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom of the window to move right. Also, remember that very wide spreadsheets can become harder to navigate, so consider freezing key header rows or columns to keep your view organized. For context, Google Sheets supports thousands of columns, so running past Z is normal and fully supported. Just be mindful that extremely large sheets can affect performance, especially with lots of formulas or images. And that's all you need to create more than Z columns in Google Sheets. Open Sheets, highlight column Z, right-click, and insert a column to the right. Keep adding as needed, and your data can grow right alongside your project.